The year is 2025. This year will be remembered not just for its technological leaps or global events, but for the reawakening of a dormant giant. A familiar giant, once silent in its slumber, is beginning to awaken. Mount St. Helens, a name that inspires both awe and fear, is showing signs of life once more. Mount St. Helens, etched into our collective memory from its dramatic 1980 eruption, left an indelible mark on the landscape and in our hearts. Now, after decades of relative calm, it is showing signs of renewed activity. Steam vents hiss, and the ground quivers, hinting at the forces gathering beneath. Scientists and citizens alike are watching, a mixture of awe and apprehension in their gaze. The mountain's every move is scrutinized, every tremor analyzed. The mountain, a majestic peak in the Cascade Range, stands as a sentinel over the region, its beauty masking the potential for destruction. It is sending us unmistakable signals. Plumes of smoke rise, and the air is thick with the scent of sulfur. The earth trembles with increasing frequency. Seismographs capture the restless movements, each spike a message from the depths. A symphony of rumbles echoes through the valleys, a stark reminder of the raw power hidden beneath our feet. The ground beneath us is alive, and it is speaking. A stark reminder of the raw power hidden beneath our feet. The landscape, once serene, now vibrates with the energy of the Earth's core. We have been here before. The scars of 1980, a testament to nature's untamed energy, are still visible on the landscape. The scars of 1980, a testament to nature's untamed energy, are still visible on the landscape. They serve as a reminder of the mountain's potential for devastation. The landscape bears the marks of past fury, volcanic rock, and debris scattered like pieces of a puzzle. But this time, we are armed with the knowledge gained from past encounters. Advanced technology and years of research have given us tools to better understand and predict volcanic activity. We are listening intently to the whispers of the Earth, hoping to decipher its cryptic messages. Every piece of data is a clue, every tremor a hint, hoping to decipher its cryptic messages. The fate of communities, the delicate balance of ecosystems, hangs in the balance. The fate of communities, the delicate balance of ecosystems, hangs in the balance. The lives of people and the health of the environment are intertwined with the mountain's moods. The question is, are we ready for what comes next? Preparedness is key, and as we watch and wait, we must ask ourselves if we are truly ready for the mountain's next move. The Earth communicates with us in various ways, each with its own distinct rhythm and pattern. One of the most powerful forms of this communication is through earthquakes, a force that showcases the dynamic nature of our planet. Seismometers, acting as our ears to the Earth's surface, enable us to listen to these underground conversations. Recently, these devices have recorded a significant rise in seismic activity around Mount St. Helens, a volcano infamous for its violent history. These tremors, often subtle vibrations deep within the Earth, resemble the murmurs of a giant stirring from slumber. They depict a restless giant awakening, hinting at the immense forces building beneath the Earth's crust. These seismic signals narrate a story of molten rock, or magma, churning and pushing its way through the Earth's crust, seeking an exit. But the Earth also communicates through other signs, giving us a broader understanding of its internal processes. Gas emissions, the volcano's breath, provide additional clues about the state of the magma chamber below. Instruments strategically placed around the volcano's slopes detect changes in the composition and volume of gases released, offering crucial data for scientists. An increase in sulfur dioxide, a clear indicator of rising magma, has raised alarms in the scientific community, suggesting that an eruption could be near. These subtle changes in the Earth's breath are like whispers on the wind, carrying essential information about the forces at play deep underground, helping us prepare for potential future events. While we can't control nature's power, we can certainly prepare for its impact. Knowledge is our first line of defense. Experts from the United States Geological Survey, USGS, and other organizations are tirelessly working, keeping a close watch on the volcano's activity. They analyze data from a network of seismometers, gas sensors, and GPS stations, assembling the complex puzzle of Mount St. Helens behavior. This information is crucial for guiding emergency preparedness and response strategies. Local authorities, equipped with the latest scientific insights, are refining evacuation plans and preparing for various scenarios. Public awareness initiatives are in progress, educating the community about potential hazards and safety measures. As Mount St. Helens stirs once more, a pressing question arises. Could this signal something even more monumental? Some experts suggest a potential link between volcanic activity in the Cascade Range, home to Mount St. Helens, and the Yellowstone supervolcano, a dormant behemoth to the east. This hypothesis, known as the Cascade Effect, posits that a significant eruption in one volcanic system could trigger a domino effect, activating other volcanoes in the vicinity. The concept hinges on the interconnected nature of subterranean magma chambers and fault lines. Although the Cascade Effect is still debated among scientists, the potential impact of a Yellowstone eruption is so immense that even a slight possibility warrants our attention. Section 5. A sleeping giant awakens. Imagining a Yellowstone super eruption. Yellowstone National Park, renowned for its geysers and hot springs, sits atop a supervolcano of immense power. This dormant giant beneath the surface has the potential to dramatically alter our world. A super eruption at Yellowstone, an event that has occurred 3 times in the past 2.1 million years, would bring widespread devastation. The scale of such an eruption is almost beyond comprehension, with far-reaching effects. Picture a scene straight out of a disaster film. The ground shakes, a deafening roar fills the air, and the earth splits open. A massive column of ash, rock, and gas would be thrust miles into the atmosphere, blocking out the sun and casting the region into darkness. Day would turn to night as the sky fills with volcanic debris. Pyroclastic flows, superheated avalanches of volcanic material, would sweep across the landscape, incinerating everything in their path. These deadly flows move with such speed and intensity that nothing can escape. The ash, carried by winds, would blanket much of North America, disrupting agriculture, transportation, and communication networks. Crops would be buried, roads blocked, and electronic systems crippled by the pervasive ash. The global climate would be thrown into turmoil, with potentially catastrophic consequences for human civilization. Temperatures would drop, leading to a volcanic winter, and weather patterns would become erratic, threatening food supplies and livelihoods worldwide. Section 6. Separating fact from fiction, the science of volcanic predictions. The idea of a Yellowstone super eruption is daunting, but it's crucial to view it through a scientific lens. Although Yellowstone is active, with regular earthquakes and ground shifts, experts emphasize that there's no indication of an imminent eruption. The USGS, which keeps a constant watch on Yellowstone, suggests that the likelihood of a super eruption happening in any given year is very low. Volcanoes are intricate systems, and forecasting their activity is not an exact science. Nonetheless, scientists have made great progress in identifying the warning signs of a potential eruption. Shifts in earthquake patterns, ground deformation, gas emissions, and other indicators can offer critical insights. Fortunately, super eruptions are extremely rare, occurring on average only once every several 100,000 years. Section 7. Knowledge is power. Staying informed in a dynamic world. In an era defined by climate change and geological activity, knowledge becomes our greatest tool. Being aware of potential threats, such as volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, and other natural disasters, enables us to make informed choices and safeguard our communities. Trusted sources like the USGS, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, and other scientific organizations offer current data and insights on various natural events. Staying informed helps us distinguish between fact and fiction, alleviates anxiety, and allows us to take practical measures to prepare for any situation. Section 8. Our Restless Planet, a Legacy of Fire and Creation. Our world is not a static and unchanging sphere. It is a dynamic realm shaped by powerful forces. Volcanoes, while capable of immense destruction, also showcase the Earth's creative power. They are the architects of landscapes, the sculptors of continents, and the cradles of life itself. The reawakening of Mount St. Helens serves as a stark reminder of our planet's dynamism and presents us with an opportunity. It is a chance to deepen our understanding of Earth's systems, to appreciate the delicate balance of nature, and to renew our commitment to responsible stewardship of our planet. Ultimately, our destiny is inextricably linked to the fate of the Earth we call home.